Okay. Unit number 10. Purchase journal, sales journal, and general journal. Purchase journal, sales journal, and general journal. So, finish the 2016 paper number. In 2016, I am asking you to, so they are asking you to prepare the sales journal. They are asking you to prepare the sales journal. So let's put the format for the sales journal. Date is there. Sales invoice number is there. Customer is there. It's not buyer. Then the amount is there. So these are the important columns where you have to write down. Other columns are not that much important. Sales journal. 10/9/2022. 10/9/2016. 22/9/2016. Invoice number 102103. Customer names Rama and Sita. Rama and Sita. Mara names. And they have given the quantities and other information. So we learn always we have to write the values after the trade list. Okay. Don't forget it. Always we have to write the value after the trade list. 10 t-shirts, each 200. So 10 t-shirts, each 200 means 2000. But you can't go and write 2000 because I clearly told you always you have to write the value after the trade discount. So trade discount is how much? 10%. 2000 into 10%. That is 200. Then value after the trade discount 1800 only you have to write. 1008. Next one also say 100 handkerchiefs, each 50 rupees. 100 handkerchiefs, each 50 rupees. That means here 5000. I can't write 5000 because we have to write the value always after the trade discount. Trade discount is 5%. 5%. So 5% means 250. Then value after trade discount 4750. So here I can write 4750. Then let's take the total. Here 6,750, 6,550. 6,550. September, how many days are there? The last week. September, 31 days. If I'm not mistaken. Yes. October, no, September 30 days. No? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. 30 days. In 30/9/2016. Credited to sales. Credited to sales. That is the question for the year 2016. So I'll give you maybe 3 minutes or 4 minutes. Do all the questions in 2017. do all the questions in 2017. Okay, so let's do 2017. Out of the following, select the transaction that should be recorded in the general journal. obtaining 2000 cash by the owner. So here cash is going out now. So since the cash is going out, it will go to the cash book. Purchasing, writing of 2000 from debtors as bad debt, let's keep it. Purchasing of a machine 1000 for cash. Again, cash is involved. So cash. Purchasing of a stock 10,000 on credit basis. Stock purchase on credit will go to the purchase tab. So writing off bad debt itself. Adjusting entry. Adjusting entries will go to the general tab. Because it's not cash receipt, it's not cash payment, it's not petty cash, it's not credit purchases, it's not credit sales. None of this. So the answer is the second one. Next, what they ask. Following are the purchase journal and sales journal prepared by a business for the month of May. 5. Completing the above journals and sales journal as at 31st March. Completing the above purchase journal and sales journal as at 31st March 2017. So they are asking us to complete it. How to complete? Very simple. So for me, it's simple. You have to sketch it again from the beginning. Okay. And do it quickly. But you have to sketch it again from the beginning. Huh? In here, 19,800. If no, 31 days. 531. Debited to purchase account. Here, 9,200. 531. Credited to sales. Recording the above transaction, recording the transaction in the above purchase journal and sales journal into the ledger. They are asking us to prepare the ledger. So, first one, we need a purchase account. Debit 19,800. 31st. Here you can write credit. And you can credit to the relevant individual account. So total will go to the purchase account. Individual amounts will go to the individual accounts. Nalaka's account and Vasana's account. Nalaka creditor. Vasana creditor. 4,800 and 15,000. 4,800 and 15,000. What are the dates? 10 and 18. Here you can write purchase. Likewise, we can prepare the sales also. Sales account and the relevant debtor accounts. So who are the debtors? Madara and Vimala. Total amount will go to the sales account. Individual amounts will go to the individual account. 9,200, 6,200, 3,000. Here you can write it as 12 and 26. Sales. That's it. So you should prepare 6 ledger accounts. 6 ledger accounts are there. If you are done with it, you can move to the next question. Next year, 2018. Okay. So let's do the 2018 one. Prepare the purchase journal of the Tusharas business for the month of May. Post the information of the purchase journal to the ledger account. So let's prepare the purchase journal first. Date is there. Purchase invoice number is there. Invoice number. Then supply is there. Then the amount is there. If you want, you can add the ledger folio column also. Ledger folio column. Not that much important, that particular. Three, 5, 5, 5, 18, 5, 23, 5. 5, 5, 5, 18, 5, 23, 5. Purchase German. Purchasing 20 tea packets from Samira, 200 each on credit. Invoice number 612. Trade discount 5%. So 20 tea packets, each 200. That means 4,000. For 4,000, we are getting a 5% discount. 5% discount. That means 200 discount. Then the value after the trade discount, you have to take the value after the trade discount, 3,800. Samira, invoice number 612. Next. Purchasing 20x, each 15. So here they have given receipt number. And in cash. So cash purchases will go to the cash book. Cash purchases will go to the cash book. So I should cut that date. That one shouldn't count. Purchasing 100 boxes of matches from Pahan. Each 5 on credit basis. Credit purchases will come to the purchase jar. Pahan. 100 boxes, each 5. That means 500. 500. Next one. Purchasing a computer table. Computer table. Computer table. It's a non-current asset. Non-current asset purchased on credit will go to the general journal. Will go to the general journal. General journal. So this one we shouldn't take, this one we shouldn't take. Because second is going to the cash book, fourth should go to the general journal. They're asking us to under the purchase journal. So only two are there. Then here it is 4,300, 31.5, debited to purchase account. Debited to purchase account. And they are asking us to prepare the, post the information into the ledger accounts also. So we need 3 ledger accounts there. 1, 2, 3. One is the purchase account. Other one is for Samira, creditor. Another one is Pahan, creditor. So purchase account should be the total. Put the total amount to the purchase account, individual amount to the individual account. $31.5 creditor. Here 3.5 purchase. 18.5 purchase. That's it. So we are done with 2000 18 also. 2019, there are 2 questions. Quickly do it. 2 MCQ questions. Quickly do. I'll give you 2 minutes. Okay, let's do it. Select the transaction recorded in the sales journal. In sales journal, what are we writing? Credit sales. The main item. Stock. Inventory. Goods. So the main item of the business. Main item credit sale. Main item credit sale will be there. So it's a handicraft producing business selling handicraft for 25,000 on credit basis. So it is main item sold on credit. It should go to the sales journal. This is in cash, so that means we are getting cash. It should go to the cash book. It's a handicraft producing machine. Non-current asset sold on credit. Non-current asset sold on credit will go to the general journal. Non-current asset sold on credit will go to the general journal. Selling of a stock of cloth purchased on credit to produce handicraft for 55,000. Again, here cash is there. So it's cash. Then the correct answer is the first. Sales journal prepared by the business. Date, invoice number, purchaser or customer, whatever. I told you when you are preparing the purchase journal or the sales journal, let it be the purchase journal, let it be the sales journal. So purchase journal, at last you will debit to purchaser. Sales journal, at last the total amount. The total amount you will credit to sales account. So this should happen on the last day of the month. If it is 31st January, the total calculation will happen the last day. This total calculation, this total, calculate karne ka venue. The calculation of this total will happen on the last day of. So this should be the last January. No? January last day is 31st January. So it is the sales journal. Sales journal means credited to sales account. So let's see which answer 31st January credited to sales account. It's there in the fourth option. So with that, Lamai, we are done with the purchase, sales, and general loans. So in our next class, we will be discussing the unit number 11. So unit number 11 and unit number 12, both. Unit number 11, generally you don't have any questions in your paper because unit number 11 is a base unit for unit number 12, which is the trial. The next week we will be discussing the unit number 11 and unit number 12, both. Trial balance and the correction of errors. So be prepared for that time. That's it for the day. Bye bye.